Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're doing okay in this tremendous day, in terms of this amazing day. This is the Moez show, number 21, and your host, Moez Fawaz. Absolutely beautiful day. I hope you're enjoying it. It's amazing. It's awesome because today we're gonna review a product called Secret Email System. Secret Email System. It's made by the creator is Matt Pickock, old school marketer. This guy has been there since 1997, 1998, something like that. He's been emailing since 1997, 1998, and he's one of the old mentors for Russell Brunson. I don't remember the other people like. There's a lot of old school like marketers that learn from him, and he's been in the business for a long time. So I could not believe that he came out with something with a course, like it's actually an ebook, and it's very cheap. I will show you the prices. I will show you the upsells, and you will see that it's absolutely affordable. With the bonuses I'm going to give you, just remember to get the bonuses that I'm offering right here. Make sure you click on the button, this yellow oranges button before the 2 days before. I don't think so. Yeah, before the Wednesday, September 30th, which is I think is 2 days. 1, 2, 3, 3 days. So okay. So I think I didn't fix it. I didn't fix that. Anyway. So Wednesday, September 30th, before midnight. So midnight, September 30th, before that day, please click on the orange button and to get all my bonuses that I'm going to show you right here. And if you get the link, if you're watching through YouTube, the YouTube channel, in the video, the link is going to be in the description, in the description, down in the description. If you get in it from my email, in the email list, from the email list, you the link is attached down there. Okay, let's jump into the description first. What is the secret email system? I'll show you the sales page in a moment. Email system. Okay, so basically he's explaining in a summary, the email system is a system that will show you how to email, how to get business through email, how to write emails, how to create attention grabbing emails from A to Z. So basic course teaching you how to write emails from A to Z and how to grab attention and how to attract the customers or the prospects into your products or into your service. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, so here he's explaining with the problem. Get out and create a product, creating a branding page, creating a blog, sales page, upsell page, creating a members area. Get out, spend money on advertising. If you're one lucky ones to get sales, if you're lucky, prospect deflects with something along the lines, just need discuss with my team. Repeat step 8 and 9 altogether, and then the whole thing fizzles out, and then you start over again. So basically, that's the problem. And he's here. He's giving you the road. He's explaining the road to disaster, and then he's explaining to you exactly what is the system and how to write perfect emails. Okay, so before we so I'm gonna explain actually the front end, and then the upsells, and then I'm gonna jump into the bonuses. Don't forget the bonuses. You click on the button before Wednesday, September 30th, before midnight, September 30th, Wednesday, to make sure that you get all the bonuses all here. Okay, so again, let's go jump into the front end. The front end is, like I said, $5.60. $5.60. Imagine, that's like Starbucks coffee. Even my Starbucks coffee cost me $7. So basically, it's less than Starbucks coffee. So with this, you're gonna get the bonuses I'm gonna give you. Plus, you're gonna get. I'm gonna show you exactly the bonuses he's giving you with his product too. It's insane. Like the amount of bonuses he's giving you, it's like wow, out of this world. So that's why I really recommend this product. First of all, because he's old school marketer. He's been marketing for a long time, and his courses are legit. His courses are straight to the point, like no playing around. Like he's straight to the point. Even with the small amount of money that you're gonna pay, with the small amount of money you're gonna get the value. The course itself, the value is much more than $5.60. Okay, so upsell number one. The secret email system, as I explained now, $5.60. No downsell because it's just $5.60. And then upsell number one, ultimate email marketing package. It's $97 with a downsell for $47. So again, as I explained before in my previous videos, if you don't want to pay a full amount of 97, just click the X. You're gonna get the downsell for $47, and that's how you save like $50 right there. Okay, so basically he's explaining how I went from working 60 to 80 hours a week to 5 hours per week, and makes double the amount of money he's been making. Okay, then not a lot of OTOs, just to let you know, not a lot of OTOs, just straightforward OTOs that's going to help you with the course itself, the ebook or the course, the amount of information he's going to give you basically. Okay, so secret email mastermind, yearly $84 or monthly for $10, $9.95. Okay, so basically if you want to pay the yearly, it's gonna be a good idea. If you don't want to get paid the yearly and you want to go to the downsell, it's going to cost you $10 a month. Okay, that's it. So now we jump into the most important thing, the most important part in this video. Imagine the most important part, which is the bonuses. Okay, so bonus number one. I made sure that I attach a bonus that will help you with that course, which is less building. So basically it's email and less building, they come together as a package. So here, less building on steroid. I don't like steroids, but it's okay. Less building on steroids, at least it's boosting up, you know? So to looking like me. Boom. Okay, so forget about it. Learn how to build a huge list fast. Discover how to double your commission with a simple strategy and much more. $97 value. Okay, less building on steroids by the king of marketing, Moez Fawaz, which is me. Okay, that's bonus number one. Bonus number two, commission blueprint. The super affiliate blueprint that generates over $500,000 in 12 months. How to start from scratch. With no connections or product and become a super affiliate in 2018 and beyond and more. Okay, so basically this is a blueprint, a plan that you will use to get to that $500,000 in 12-month point. Okay, you have to work. It involves work. It doesn't come for free. You have to do the work to arrive to that point. Okay, so that's bonus number two, commission blueprint by Moez Fawaz, the one and only. Okay, number three, Bing Ads Mastery Training. How this is a competitor for Google Ads. So basically, it teaches you how to grab traffic, how to get traffic into your offer or into your to get into the email list, to create that email list. So basically, he's teaching you about email building, and I'm teaching you how to write emails, and I'm teaching you with the bonuses how to get the traffic and how to build the email list. Okay, so generate tons of traffic, targeted traffic with Bing. Exploit the secrets all top marketers are using with Exploit Bing. Step-by-step video training you can take and run with today, and much more. Okay, so that's value of $397. Bing Ad Mastery Training, King of Marketing, again, Moez Fawaz. Okay. Bonus number 4, 10K a month online case study, reveals all. Learn exactly how I make $10,000 a month sending simple emails. Same thing. Look over my shoulder as I show you everything inside my business. See my results and learn what you need to do to replicate them, and much more. Okay, so check it out. You're gonna like this one because it will help you with the email building and the email list. Okay, 10K a month case study. Okay, so the last bonus and one of the most important ones is how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. This is a bonus that Brandon Mace, my mentor, teaches you how to discover how Brandon Mace was able to make $2,000. There is a missing zero there. $2,000 in only 20 minutes with free traffic. Okay, replace your day job paycheck with only 1 to 2 sales a month. Learn the secret how gurus make 6 to 7 figures income without selling a lot, and much more. Okay, how we made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook group. Okay, the one and only Moez Fawaz. Make sure you click that button before the countdown timer ends. And when you go get your stuff, when you go get the product from Warrior Plus, you're gonna access your purchase right here and access affiliate bonus. That blue button, you click it, you're gonna get all the bonuses I'm attaching here. Okay, so just make it bigger just for you guys to see, and I'm gonna make it back into the normal size. There we go. And this is me right here, Moez Fawaz, the king of marketing. Okay, so let's go back into the sales page. I promised you I'm going to show you the sales page. Secret email system. So new look reveals how I built 7-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive revenue, sales, and commission. Okay, that's here. You can watch the video here. Also, only a few days left. So I'm going to show you something here. So here he's saying on the sales page, he's saying until Monday, I believe somewhere right here. I think yeah. So the offer expires September 28th. September 28th is Monday, which is tomorrow. So the product, the secret email system there is launching tomorrow. So he's giving you a whole day to purchase the product for $5.60 before it goes up. Okay, which is, we will go up. He promises it's gonna go up to $37 or something. So make sure you get it for $5.60. But I promise my bonuses will end on Wednesday, before midnight Wednesday, which is the morning of Thursday. So just make sure that you purchase the product at this amount, which is, like I said, less than Starbucks coffee, $5.60. And also you make sure that you get my bonuses before Wednesday, the 30th, midnight. Okay, so just make sure. And I'm going to show you also the bonuses he's giving you here. Okay, so let's just finish up with the sales page, which I didn't. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. So here he's going to give you all the surprises that sold over $23,000, 23 million. What is 23 million? Yeah, 23 million. Okay, so again, he's showing you proof, more testimonials. Okay, but the bonuses, when I saw the bonuses, I was freaking out. Wow. So, okay, where is it? I think it's on the side. Okay, so included bonuses. Bonus number 1, irresistible offer video guide. Okay. Bonus number 2, secret email system checklist. Bonus number 3, 3x formula calculator. Bonus number 4, 2.1 million email swipe files, 1,000 emails. He's giving you a free 1,000 emails to email with $5.60 price tag. Imagine that. My secret, so bonus number 5, my secret 357 582 lead generating template. That's worth $297. He's giving you that for free too. Bonus number 6, 10,978 new leads daily masterclass. So there's a masterclass that he's teaching you how to get that amount of money, how to get that amount of leads every day. Okay. So bonus number 7, secret of a millionaire mind, the book, how to control the mind, how to set the mind off. Okay. Bonus number 8, gigantic swipe file book, another gigantic swipe file book. Bonus number 9, free breakthrough session with my team. He's giving you actually a 45 minutes session with his team to I guess strategy session. It's a strategy session with his team to help you get clarity and figure out how to implement secret email system into your campaign or into your strategy. Okay. And the last bonus that he's giving you, bonus number 10, my private business Facebook community priceless. This his Facebook group. I'm with his Facebook group, and he shares secrets. He shares amazing stuff, and it's all for free. So basically, all that you get it for $5.60. Remember that. So, like I said, he's been a mentor for one of like the old marketers out there, Russell Brunson, Mark Joyner, Mike Letman, among others. Okay, so you can read the sales page by yourself. And also bonus number 5, yeah, all the bonuses I just showed you here. That's beside, plus on top of my bonuses that I'm gonna give you. The 5 bonuses I'm gonna give you, he's gonna give you a 10 more bonus, 10 more bonuses through his sales page. Okay, hold on. Yeah, right here. So basically everything he's giving you is right here. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay, secret email system, irresistible offer, secret email system ebook, irresistible offer video guide, secret email system checklist, 3x formula calculator, 2.1 million email swipe file, my secret 357,582 lead generating template, and then 978 new leads daily masterclass, secret of millionaire book, and gigantic swipe file book. Okay, so that's it. That's the sales page, and that's my bundle right here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Moez Show number 21. Make sure, like I said, you click that button. Either grab the secret email system from here or click that button before Wednesday the 30th, at midnight. Make sure you click it, and that's it. And like I said, the link is in the bottom, in the description section. And on YouTube video, if you're watching on YouTube video, if you're coming through my email list, if you're coming through the email, the link is going to be there. Thank you again for hanging out with me, and amazing stuff here. Have yourself a great day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself an amazing day, a tremendous day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, be the best version of your life today and every other day. And again, peace.